2022, it's over. It's been a crazy year. Every time I do these annual best of moments, I go through the channel from the year, I think, damn, this year has gone fast. There's just been so much on. Yeah, there's essentially been two, well, technically three track from scratch series, finishing off the bass house one at the start of the year, the mid-tempo one, as well as the drum and bass one, which I just wrapped up now. Link in the description if you haven't checked that out. Also, 2 packs released, Invictus, which is our bass house serum pack at the start of the year, and Equilibrium, our drum and bass pack, which just dropped not too long ago, as well as a bunch of serum tutorials this year and 30-minute track challenges. I don't know why I did so many this year. Well, they're pretty fun, but they're also pretty stressful. In 2023, I don't know. I'm definitely gonna make videos. I need to plan what kind of videos and series I want to set out to make. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. Recreate this noisier bass. That's never gonna happen. And as per usual, guys, massive thank you for the support over the year, for watching the videos, for downloading packs, etc, etc. I hope the tutorials have come in handy. I'm always checking and reading comments and answering any questions you guys have, so yeah, feel free to ask away with random stuff. I will try to answer and do my best. And here is the random shenanigans, bass faces, funny moments, best moments from the tutorials across the year. I guess this means I'll see you guys in 2023. Take care, and I'll see you then. Peace! Now. Fuck. It turned out like ass. Oh, you know, fucking once I get to the halfway mark, Command D, copy and paste. I love that beat, it's so sick. Wait. I don't even know. Oh, get the fuck out! What am I doing? No! Yo! Oh my god. Would that be an 808 by any chance? Fuck yeah, it would be. Come on, Crooked, Amanu, Chasing Status, Jason Statham.
There's my little name, Jason Status.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's way better. Oh, I'm not even recording. Oh my god. Fuck. Oh my god. I wasn't even recording. Oh. Maybe FM up a little.
Damn, son, where? Damn, son.
Oh my god, that sounds like the start of a fucking Space Laces bass. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This lead and this respace kind of just. Yeah! That's actually fucking sick. I was not expecting that at all. Hopefully should give off the melodic rhythm vibe. I am talking like Snape. Welcome along to episode 4. No. Yeah, buddy. Oh, what the fuck? That sounds very zooey. Imagining people looking at the video being like, complete sure 10-minute drop challenge. Why is it an hour long? It's fucking galloping. Might be a bit too low, but we'll see. That's the money. D. Jesus Christ, what the fuck? Damn! Oh my god, that first bit, you just blew that. Damn, that that bass though. Oh yeah, it'll kick in there. It's to me. Yes, okay, this is gonna sound sick. Oh, did we go triplets? Boom.